Hello everyone, today I am going to open and build this Lego Speed Champion set, the Bugatti Chiron. So it's a long retired set. I'm just in the process of start building some of my older sets. So without further ado, let's open up and start building. us is the Bugatti Chiron, and as usual, they have one minifigure included in the set and three cones. So without further ado, let's take a look at the car. So this Speed Champions is still before they updated to have 8 studs wide. So this is still a 6 studs wide, and I think given its size, it captures the looks of the Chiron very well. I particularly like they used the rubber band to create the tail lights. The engine area is done very well as well. The windshield, only the top is printed. Unfortunately, the side is stickers. I think if they release nowadays, they would have the whole canopy piece be printed. And I also find the air intake done very well as well. And this is a close look at the front. You can see the headlights and also all the air intake and front grille stickers. And this car is actually pretty low. You can see how low it is. And there's ain't much interior given that this is still 6 studs wide, but I think they try to replicate the luxury interior the best they could. And now we're going to take a look at the minifigure. So once again, this is a driver with a spanner. There's no additional hairpiece, but you do get the Bugatti logo at the back and also at the front of the torso. So it's a very nice top that you can use it whatever way that you want. And then the face of the minifigure, just your very generic Lego citizen. And this is the Speed Champions Bugatti Chiron. This is an excellent set in my opinion. With the limited size, they really done a great job in capturing the vibe and the looks of the car. The overall build is quite simple compared to the modern days Speed Champions. I do wonder if they going to do a remake like the F40, because the Ferrari F40 is a significant upgrade. It would be nice if they also do the same with this Bugatti Chiron. I think it was just me, but I did have a scary moment when I first opened the set because the stickers has been stuck on to the instruction booklets, which kind of tell us, if you bought a Lego set, you should build it as soon as possible. I actually bought this set when it first released and with a discount, and nowadays these kind of Speed Champion set can get very expensive, but if you're able to find one at decent price, I would still recommend this set because this is a very nice build and very nice car. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.